Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm back again with another video with knee length knotless braids, but this time I've gone for something a bit different. I've used a blondish brownish mix. So if you want to see how I achieved this color and how I did this style, please continue watching. I used two colors, which were two color 12s, one color 8, one color 4 and half of color 27. I cut each packet in half, and with that half I divided that into 4. So like I said, I split each half into 4 sections, and it should look like that, and it should be equivalent to half a packet. I also added 1/8 of the color 27 into this bunch. To mix the hair, you have to pull like so until you get the correct mix. So it should look like this after a while, and the ends should be uneven so that they're all like not blunt, if that makes sense. So for my first row, I split it into 3 boxes, and I also split my extensions into 3 strands so I can start my knotless braids. So because I wanted the ends to be knee length, I left about 2 inches from the bottom so that I can extend it at the end. Every time I part my hair, I go over the parting with edge control just to make it a bit neater. And with each box, I put edge control around the box. So from the back, I have 4 rows, which leaves me with what I call my top section. So normally I split this into 2, so a middle parting. I put one side away, and with one section I split into 2. So at the top in total I'll have 4 rows, but basically 2 rows on each side with the middle parting. With each row I split it into 3, so on each side I had 6 knotless braids. I lost some of the footage when I was extending the ends, so I basically did this 6 times with 6 thin strands, and this should create your long extended ends. I sealed the ends with hot water, so I split my hair into 2, dipped one side in and then dipped the other side too. So this is the finished look. I really love the colour. I love how it came out. So I feel like I'm going to do more coloured braids, especially because summer's approaching. So if you enjoyed this video or found this video very helpful, please like, comment, subscribe, share it as well, and I shall see you in my next one.